Okay, just follow the lead. Alright.
And don't forget to show.
Please.
Action.
Action. Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay guys, welcome back to your favorite #1 YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. If you're watching my channel for the very first time, do well to like, click, comment, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Please don't forget to share my videos. Okay guys, still on your Big Brother NAIJA season 6, Shine Your Eye. Another saga don't happen inside the house as the game of the Truth and Dare game hosted by Tega. Tega was actually the host of the Truth or Dare game, and then the bottle rolled and then turned on to Pere. Pere was dared to kiss Beatrice as he actually opted to do the bid, and Beatrice also fell in for it to do the bid. And well, he kissed Beatrice and everything.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And after the whole game, to my shock, to my surprise, here comes Pere going on to meet Sammy. I actually like this girl. Meeting another person. I actually like this girl, which is Maria. Okay, as a good friend, they all advised him, walk up to this girl, tell her you like her, say what you like about her. And then it was already light out, guys. He had to go wake Maria up from bed. Told her, I have something to tell you. Here comes Maria. What happened? Did he get what he wanted to hear, or he did not get what he wanted to hear? Let's see this.
I really like you, but then...
Okay, Tom, I don't like you, so can we just skip it? I really don't, I swear. I'm not even faking it. I don't like you. Cool. Can I go to bed now? Please.
Okay, guys, now Maria breaks Pere's heart. As Pere actually opened up to her, telling her that I actually like you, girl, I like you. And the girl is like, okay, I don't like you, Pere, I don't like you. Is that all you have to say? I'm gonna go and sleep. My dear, the guy was dumbfounded. Man, if you've gotten a heartbreak before, comment in the comment section down below. Let's vibe together. Like, she was so blunt. She didn't even want to merry-go-round the whole thing. You know, girls will always want to. She didn't. She was just so blunt. It was like, guy, I don't like you. Is that all? Can I go to bed now? And to my shock, girl walked out. She bounced out and went to sleep. Man, it was quite shocking. It was quite shocking. Girl, guy, you're a man. Please just hold it. And here is Pere now telling Sammy that he actually didn't want to be in a relationship getting to the house, but seeing Maria, he really likes her and he thinks he wants to really go for her. He thinks he wants to press on. And Maria on her own, she don't want to. She don't want. And here is Beatrice. She's now like discussing with Angel. I don't know this whole triangle ship. I don't want to cut into any triangle because I just noticed the way Maria is always like looking at her each time she's together with Pere. She understands her body gestures and the likes like that. She doesn't want to get into any entanglement.
I beg, whatever Maria and Pere are doing, they should just leave me out of it. To me, I don't, because sometimes when Maria, you feel that I was just here. You know me, I like to just stay with everybody. I can just stay with the guy like this and nothing is going on. We were just here, and then Pere was on my legs. Do you understand? He was on my legs. Immediately Maria came out, he just stood up and said, hey. I said to them,
So, baby, if you know you didn't want to get into any entanglement, why don't you decide to do just the normal 20 push-up instead of agreeing to kiss or the guy to kiss you and smooch you? It's a simple thing. So this thing is just a game. Please, if you know how to play your card, play it and win the game, okay? Please. I don't understand though. Mr. Mata even tire me. A lot of sagas are going on in the house. Stay glued to this #1 YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, as I drop to you new content from the Big Brother NAIJA Season 6, Shine Your Eye. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, turn on your notification bell, and share my videos. Until next time, stay good, guys.